How to create sprints in ClickUp. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up or create sprint in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, data, and others. And then, so what is sprint? Basically, it's a focus period of times where a team plans exactly what they want to finish and then works only on those tasks until the sprint ends. So it's like a commitment. At the beginning, the team agrees on what work will be done, and during the sprint, the goal is to complete that work without constantly adding new tasks. So usually sprint lasts 1 to 4 weeks, which help the team stay focused, avoid overloads, and deliver results regularly instead of all at once. So in ClickUp, Sprint lets you track progress clearly, see what's done and what's still in a progress, and review the result at the end so the next sprint can be planned better. So in the simple terms, sprints help teams turn big goals into small, manageable chunks of work that actually get finished. The first thing you have to do if you want to create a sprint is you have to be an admin. If you are not an admin, you cannot create a sprint. So make sure you are an admin in the workspace or the space. So as you can see on the left side, I have several space. So if you want to create a sprint, you can just click plus icon here, and it will appear here. But in my case, it's not because I don't activate it yet or enable it yet. So you have to enabling it and then we can create it. So you can go to profile here and then go to settings. So go ahead to settings and then you will find a space option here. You can click it. And as you can see, these are the all the space I have, and there are some information here like the share with and features, click apps, and required views. So we're gonna focus to the click apps. We have to make sure we activate this one sprint. So we have to activate or enable it first to create it. So you can choose the sprint, I mean the space you want to create sprint. So let's say I'm gonna add in this one social media. So you can click the click apps here. And then as you can see, it's not enabled yet. So you can click it to enable it. And then you can, click save. And then you can go ahead to the App Center here. And as you can see, there are some application. You can search click up. I mean, sorry, Sprint here. And then as you can see, this is the print enabled in one space, which is the social media. And then you can go ahead to manage sprint setting here. And then you can, customize the sprint name. I will leave as it. And then you can choose the default template. I'm gonna maybe choose a template from ClickUp. So you can search sprint here. And then you will find this one. You can click it, and then use template. And then from for the sprint duration, you can choose whatever you want. I prefer 1 week. And then for the date format, you can choose whatever you want. And the sprint start, you can choose maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm gonna choose Monday. And then for the non-working days, you can also set it up. It's up to you. And then for the measure of effort, you can choose time, period, or sprint point. I'm gonna choose sprint points. Then you can activate it or not, and then I'm gonna choose automatically here, and then you can click save. So it's for default setting. You can customize it later or in individual sprints. After that, go to dashboard again, and then you can choose the space, and then you will find sprint here. You can click it, And then you can name it maybe sprint folder one or whatever you want. And then you can again you can customize it, and then you can choose the settings. I will choose automate set sprints and then click create. After that, as you can see, the sprint successfully created. This is the sprint for this week. You can set it up, you can add a new sprint or customize it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.